How to download Capcut in iPhone. Now, this is actually a pretty simple tutorial. All you need to do is the App Store itself. Go ahead and open that one. And then from here, you are going to tap the search button down below. And then here, the search bar, go ahead and try to write Capcut. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the first one over there. And there is Capcut. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Get button. And of course, use my Touch ID. And then all that's left now is for us to wait for this one to be downloaded. Alright, there you go. So we've downloaded it. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap the open button right there. And from here, just go ahead and tap allow and agree. Next, I'm going to go ahead and skip this part right here, but you can definitely go through them. And yeah, there you go. So from this point forward, you can go ahead and start making videos using these templates right here, or you can basically start from the scratch by clicking the edit button right here and clicking new project. Apart from that, there are also other things that you can do here, so feel free to explore this one. And that, everybody, is how you are going to download Capcut in iPhone.